Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today's video is a little different than my normal video where I would try a hair product. We'll go throughout the day, see how well it does, same as makeup, try some new makeup out. But you know what? Sometimes we make mistakes. Yes, you gotta go to the professionals at one point, right? So I'm gonna just make this video about how I messed up my hair color once again. So if you've watched my videos, the last like, I don't know, even 5 shorts, whatever, all those, my hair was finally getting to the color that I wanted, which was my more natural color, just an ashier brown. And I was like, oh, you know what? Maybe I will go and get professional highlights once I get this color that I want to. And then I needed to do my roots. I was pushing I want to go ashier with my hair because my roots come in so often. I thought it would, you know, so this way it's not so obvious when my grays come in. If I let it go a little longer, that's why I was like, oh, I'll go on the ashier highlight side and keep my hair more like light brown. Well, like I said, my roots, my grays were just like, all right, I need to do something. So I didn't have anything. I didn't feel like going out. I used a product that I did have in the house and it was the color I wanted. I was supposed to work with this brand and I just wasn't at the color I wanted to yet, so we held off for a while. And I said, you know what? I picked the color that I wanted to, my gold color, I guess you could say, which is kind of where I was at. So I figured, oh, let me try that because it comes with 2, so I could try it first, whatever. And I thought I'll just do my roots. I'll just do like my roots and kind of just bring it down to blend it through the rest of the hair. Because I'm so lazy, you could see here, this was my hair color, I think. More like this. See that? Like I didn't even color that. That's how bad of a job I did because I only did, well, there's more to the story. I did my roots, long story short, did my roots, and I was like, wow, this looks really dark. But I remember in the past, you know, it doesn't always look like the color, you know, whatever. When I dried my hair was black, like black. It took me a long time to lighten my hair again because last fall I darkened my hair and I loved it, but now I'm done with it and I want to go back to my more natural color, and it took about a year. I'm not even joking, it took about a year. And here we are again. And this isn't even, so it was black, and I remembered, oh, okay, no fear. I wasn't even that upset. I don't know why. I did the color, oops, because I did a video on that, and the color comes out. So I said, that's it, I gotta go out now. So now I avoided not going out to get the right color, and I ended up going out anyway. But actually, we were going out, I think, for dinner. I said I need to stop at the store. I got color, oops. I got the black out. My hair was back to a more orangey. It wasn't crazy orange. It wasn't bad actually. But I'm like, I don't want golden. I don't want this color again. I don't want to go back to this color. It's like reddish, you know? It's like, I don't want this color. So I always think I could fix this myself. I don't know why. I just think, oh, I could do this because I've done it before and it comes out. So I bought a light brown hair coloring kit that I always use. Light ash brown. It's very light. I thought that will cover for sure. Didn't, and it made my hair this color. So this is what I've ended up with. So what I want to say to you guys is, it's okay that we mess up. I'm not a professional hairstylist, clearly. So you guys who are professionals, I'm sure you never mess up, whatever, but maybe you do too, and it's okay because it's hair and it's gonna grow out. So I made it an appointment. And I gotta be honest with you, I'm going nuts because I need to film a lot of videos and I can't do it because I'm like, no, not with this hair color. How am I gonna do videos with like different hair coloring? It's just not me. So I was like, I'll just wait until today's Sunday, my appointment's on Tuesday. So I thought I'll have to just start making videos then, but it's like, oh no, I'm wasting so many days of not making videos, like it's killing me. So I'm like, you know what, I might have to just do it. So I thought today would be fun, just a little, since I am gonna be busy making a lot of little videos and doing 25 days of Christmas shorts, which will also go on TikTok and Instagram, but you know. And they're gonna be a mix of anything, everything, anything Christmas, whether it's about my decor around the house, which we're gonna look at later, because today's kind of more like a vlog style video. I know, I don't think my vlogs do so well, but I just want to give you guys something. But you know what, honestly, I feel like today's video is a lesson learned. You know, don't worry if you mess up your hair color. You can always fix it. You can always go to the professional like I'm gonna do, and I'm 100% confident that she's gonna fix my hair the way I want it. But it's fun to try, and you know, products now aren't as harsh. And let me tell you something, if my hair isn't falling out yet, you'll be fine, because I have like the driest, coarsest hair naturally. It's just, it is what it is. But you know, we'll talk about stuff in today's video at least and have a little fun, right? So I'm gonna dry my hair, I already did my makeup, and I found this. Remember Twisted Sister? I did a video on it. I think I might have to repurchase this. So for you guys, I'm gonna use it because I normally don't like to use my really good ones my everyday. Oh, how was this, guys? Stop. Oh no, I don't have a lot of it. I'm repurchasing this. Oh no, I don't have enough. All right, well, I don't think I have enough. I'm so sad. Oh, okay. I had some. Doesn't have to. Oh, my hair like dried already. All this talking I'm doing. But anyway, let me go do my hair. I'll show you how great this product comes out. And then I'll show you what we're doing down there as far as Christmas decorating goes. Yeah, it's funny. We'll hang out with Joe today. And Wilma, I don't know where she is, but all right, we'll be back. Okay, hair is done, and aside from the color, look how good that looks, right? My hair looks good. It looks like defined, curly, and natural. Although I'm gonna tell you something, I was looking at pictures today to see, I want to gather a few pictures to show my hairstylist because I'm going for color and cut. I gotta get rid of these ends that just kind of don't do anything. And we always do, every time I get my hair cut, I cut. So look at the difference of the style. I don't want a short bob though, but what I want is to do this. I'm gonna actually ask for shorter layers. I just want, it grows back, guys, it grows back. So we're gonna do it, because I always say, go a little shorter with the layers in the back, and I think everybody's scared to do it, but I'm gonna say, no, do it. Short layers, don't worry, I'm not gonna get mad. Let's just do it, because my hair grows so fast. So that's that plan. And anyway, what I was saying. So what I was saying was when I was looking at pictures, and I'm looking back at, like, I see a lot of photos of beautiful curly hair and the color I want, the style I want. And as I'm looking at them, I'm actually liking the more, not so much frizzy, but the more like wilder, as opposed to the more, I don't like so much the banana curl look anymore. I think that's a little, maybe like 10 years ago, maybe. Like, I've always wished I had those beautiful soft, it's more for like somebody who has this softer hair. Like, my hair is coarse and thick. I mean, there were times I can get my hair like that. I could totally do that, but I don't think I like that look anymore. I think I like now a more of a messy, I want to dare I say frizzier look. Yeah, like kind of just like wild, like this. It's just like more fun, you know? I don't know. Who knows? I don't know what the styles are coming out with curly hair, but I personally am not so much into defined banana curls. This is probably going to be going up in about 10 minutes. Because I just hate that extra bottom. So by the end of this video, which means it can't go up till Tuesday, which is fine, I will show you my hair color. Transformation. Hello there.
Hey, what's up?
I don't want to show them all the house decorations yet because it's not nighttime yet. But we did get our tree, right? I love it. Oh guys, we got a new couch too. Like, I haven't vlogged. I don't vlog anymore. But there's our tree. And I don't want to show it to you because I want to show you to lit up tonight. Hi. Hi, Nick. Aw. Hi, baby. Oh my God, guys. Did I post any videos of my son's kitten? I'll have to post some. I did. Oh yeah, he's on my last week's video. He's on my last video.
Cool.
Yeah, that's right. I miss him. All right. We're gonna decorate later, I guess.
Yeah, we'll do everything.
All right, you're gonna go food shopping, right?
Later.
Okay.
Everything's later.
Everything's later. Joe, I was telling them about my hair color and how I messed up once again.
But it looks good.
It doesn't. You know what it is? I feel so pale. I feel like a vampiress.
Gothic.
Gothic. It's not me. Although I liked it last year, but no. When I started getting my color back, I was loving my color again. Because it's the best couch in the world. I'm not gonna lie to you. Even when the kids come, they're like, oh, why do you get it now and not when we were little? The most comfortable couch in the world. It's from Macy's. I'll link it down below. All right, guys, I do have something to show you, my bathroom. This isn't how I wanted to show it though, but I'll screw it, let's go. Okay, so, I don't know if you remember what this bathroom looked like. This is the half bath off of the kitchen. I'll put it here. It was outdated, big time, like big time. And I wanted to do a before and after, but I'm not gonna do a whole video of it because I literally just it took me like weeks to do, but it could have taken me hours. Anyway, let me show you how it came out. Oh wait, I'm not totally done, Joe. I have to get a light still. All right, well, we'll ignore the light that's up here now. Okay, I'm in the bathroom now, and I took the light off because the light is just so terrible. Like, just the light that it's making me is so yellow. But I painted the bottom black, and you can see that. I painted the bottom black, and then I did this peel and stick wallpaper. So the bottom half is black. This I had on here, this is like, you know, wooden, it's real wood, wainscoting I guess you call it. And we just I painted over it white, and then did this peel and stick so you could see it's not perfect, but for the most part, I really like it. That's the texture up close. Isn't that nice? I'll show you more at night because it's still light out and it's rainy, but I saved this guy last minute from outside. I thought he looked really good in here. And honestly, this candle right here was my inspiration. I've had this candle in here for a long, long time. And I don't know, the colors on it, the black, white, and gold, are just something that I've always loved. And that's what we did. I got those in the Weathered Barn. Where was that again? That was Maine, was it, I think? All those little accessories, and yeah. So, we kept the mirror because I like having the big mirror. I don't care how it looks. I like the mirror. And I put this lamp in here. This is I got on Amazon. It's battery operated. I got this for like another spot, but I don't need it anymore because we got an outlet there in the hallway. So I thought this looked nice in here. It seems a little crowded for some, but I personally like it, and I'm gonna come and show you at night how it looks. So that's it. That's nice, right? Okay, so let me check in later. Again, this is not much of anything because what I'm gonna do is at the end of this video, I'm gonna take you, not along with me, but I'll check in before I go get my hair colored. We'll get my hair colored and then see the results, the before and after. This is mess up. Under here somewhere is my hair color. I don't know, whatever. So this is why I'm not making so many videos, because I feel like I don't want to be on video with this color. I just don't, even though I'm doing it now anyway. But I figured this is real life. This stuff happens, right? We screw around with our coloring and whatever. I'll see you later. Okay guys, I just got my hair cut and colored. I'm scared because I was in the shower, and you know when you get your hair cut, I felt like I had no hair. Like my hair was so short. I can't believe it's my fault, because I said to her, shorter layers, we're gonna go big. I don't want like really short, but I feel like she knew exactly what I wanted. And when she's like, is that enough? I felt it, and I'm like, let's go a little more. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I got the color fixed. I don't know how it looks yet because I left with my hair wet. I do hope it's a little lighter than it looked, because like I see dark. But she said she fixed my roots which was a little darker, but she said she put higher, ashier highlights in. I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to just wait and see, because I didn't really see any. But I can't see on my own head, so I gotta style my hair now. And I will be right back, and we'll see, hopefully, my hair being fixed and a totally different cut. And I hope it's not a terrible, crazy cut, because I still gotta do videos. Okay, let's see the reveal. How should we do it? Should we do like a magical transition? Nah. Hey, what do you think? I kind of love the style. It's so short. I feel like it definitely aged me a little. What do you think? It's like, do I look like a typical mom now? I don't know. But I love it. The color, I wish, see the highlights in there? It does look good, actually. It looks more back here, actually, than in the front. Oh, okay. I see them more there. I didn't see that. All right, now I see it. He's right. My husband said it's more in the back. Okay, I don't feel so worried now then, because I was like, I thought my hair looked too dark. She did do the roots dark, which she said she was gonna, but no, she said brown. So I'm thinking brown, and to me it kind of looks black. But I think it's also because I just got my hair colored, and it's, look how short it is. It's like freshly colored. For those of you who are experts and know, I assume maybe it won't be as dark in a couple of days after a few like rinses and stuff. Do you like it? I think I like it. I'm trying to get like a background where you could see it. There we go. Oh my god, it's like a totally different style. I kind of got some bangs going too. Not, I hate the word bangs, but curtain bangs, whatever. Do I look like... See, she gave me short, so it's nice and puffy, and that's exactly what I wanted. Because you know what? Hair grows back. Who cares? For some reason, I don't get when people hold the camera to the mirror like this. I feel like it's not... Am I doing it okay? I feel like I don't know how to do that, but anyway. Yeah, this is it. You know, I should look at the back, because I didn't even take a mirror to the back yet. But, you know, I like it. I do. I like it. I think that we're just going to hold the camera like this. Much easier. See that highlight in there? I kind of wanted more of that. But it's okay. It's in there, so it'll hopefully show more. Oh, it's so cute. It's a cute cut. I like it. Do you like it? It's something different. I could still do hair product videos because I still have curls. What did I use today? Oh, I used Zoto's All About Curls. Good stuff. Yeah, so that's that. There's my video. I'm gonna go do some work now. Call my girls. Find out about their dog training. He's a little puppy boy, Crouton. We got a dog training session because he's such a bad boy. But he's so cute. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go, and till the next video, get ready because we're gonna have a lot of shorts. 25 days of Christmas shorts. So I don't know that I'll be filming a lot of long videos like this. I might not. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I really haven't been anyway, so, but I will throw some in there. I don't want to do just shorts, right? I'm gonna throw some long videos in there. Yeah, I'll throw some longer ones. I think my hair came out good. I'm happy with it. It grows so fast that I feel like this fluffy style is gonna be gone before you know it, to be honest. But we'll see. This is really short. This is shorter than I've gotten in a long time. A little darker than I wanted still, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm hoping that dark will fade. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video, and enjoy the holiday season.